pretty sad. Mismatched spark plugs. Some weird Excel coil deal over there that probably have to get rid of that. Looks like, yeah, she's a winner. This will be sketchy at best to take home. Change out the carburetor because it was running like dog poop and it was glugging fuel. The intake manifold was just completely full. So I changed out this fuel line here, changed out the fuel line on the bottom, put a new carb on it, put all the old junk linkage back on it, and fired it back up. It still runs like poop, but I made a mistake. Can you see that right there? I poked a hole in the radiator. My crescent wrench fell down there, poked a hole in the radiator. So, I guess I'm pretty lucky that I brought one. But this radiator's junk anyway. You can see right here, it has been JB welded already. So, she's junk. But we got the parts. I got new hoses. I don't have coolant here, so I may have to just reuse my coolant, which is not good in a brand new radiator, but it's what we got. So, here we go. It's definitely rotten right there. They fixed it with JB Weld. You can tell all the leaks. She's swollen, she's rusty. There's a number right there. That's probably the original radiator. And there's where I poked the hole. It just took me forever to unwrap that thing. Why? But I guess it's not dented. Let's see if it fits. Problems, or the old crappy mismatched spark plug wires are no good. But we're just gonna take it to the hotel anyway. So took it up the road here for a little bit, and it barely runs, but it did run. It didn't die. It's not puking any coolant out. So it's 4 o'clock. We've been here for, I don't know, 5 hours, 4 hours, whatever. But here she is. The window's busted. It's rusty in there and the track fell off. So Rachel's gonna have a very cold ride home. She's already moved in, see? Yeah. Does appear to be the original paint. $8,054 miles. I did get the headlights and one taillight bulb on each side to work, so that's good. I don't think the fuel gauge is working. Top's up, makes a lot of noise. Door panels are cool. Got my new tires on there. Yep. Looks like it had to do with the front. So, you know, and the rear lines are just smushed off or capped off. So, let's go for a ride. Check the brake fluid. Brake fluid's full. Oil, a little over full. Great. I changed it yesterday with 1540 Valvoline because they didn't have anything else unless it was synthetic. Ice cube juice is full. Thanks, Derek. And let's see if it starts going. Baby. Yeah. First start in the morning. Indiana, 1974. Tell me, do you think it has a camshaft in that little 326? That's the wrong engine. And does it have gear drive? I can just hear it whining worse than my kids. Sorry, Connor. Sorry, Corbin. Love you. Yesterday I changed I shotgunned under the hood. Let's be frank. I shotgunned it. This thing had me so stressed out. I just decided I'm gonna put everything I have into it because we need to get moving. So yeah, we'll get on the road here and see what happens. Get that timing light, see if I can check the timing on this thing. And I don't know if any of you have ever seen an Excel 300 box like this. Restoration kind of guy, not a hot rod guy, and I think this car's got hot rod parts in it. Can't you hear it? cruising. We just busted, I did about 67 that time. She makes a little more noise, but making up some time. It's starting to sprinkle. It's really windy. So let's go to the bathroom and continue on. We are in past Springfield. We're 50 miles, 47 miles from Joplin. So as bad as the first day went, the second day came out pretty good, and as bad as it went yesterday, I didn't think we'd get here today, because this was the plan, was to get to Joplin, whatever, so as good as it gets, almost nothing. Alright. Joplin. We're in Oklahoma somewhere, don't know where. It's still really windy. The sun is going down. We found this place called the Buffalo Run. Sounds good. Yeah, hotel and casino. We'll just, you know, we're having such good luck. Let's try it over there. Cool. Anyway, I'm impressed. The car did fantastic today. So let's close it up for the night, and we'll get going in the morning. We'll see what the weather's like. We may stay here for an extra day. They're expecting snow, rain, whatever, sleet, something that we don't get in Arizona here at about midnight. So go with just trying to, I guess, see what happens. In Arizona, we don't get weather. We get hot, more hot, and then it cools off, and then it gets hot again. So just got to our parking spot, but you know, hey, had to put the park brake on. Can't forget that. Picked this thing up in Country Classics in Staunton, Illinois, and it was way worse than I expected. It had 9 spark plug wires. That's plenty, right? Not including the coil wire, mind you. Carburetor just flooding. I took the carburetor off, and there was puddles in the intake, so that was good. You know, the spark plugs were foul, minimal. So day 2, much better. It's kind of got a milkshakey in there. That's not good.
Yeah, that doesn't look good.
Nope.
Uh-oh. Or is that just the stick?
Yeah, I don't know if it's just the stick or what.
Let's wipe it all off real quick. Let's see the stick. Nope, that's not the stick.
Maybe just from this stuff.
Huh? Maybe the tube there?
Yeah, it's just breathing out all the stuff from the frost.
We're ready.
It took 15 gallons and we didn't travel very far, so that kind of had me worried. I don't know what happened. Again, no rhyme or reason. full. The trunk is full, the tank's full, back seat's full, and we've got no sagging. Get out of the way. I almost got gas all over me. Oh, that was close. Spillage. Good. Only took another 7 gallons. It's scary to look at it when you fill 20 gallons at $4 a gallon. You see under there the fuel tank. Somebody replaced the fuel tank or had it cleaned. That's why we filters are not bad. Filters have lasted the whole trip. This hood is getting worse. The hinges is getting worse. Let's check. Oh yeah, there's the oil. Yeah, it looks like blow by out the dipstick tube. Ooh, there's all the milky milk mess. If you guys haven't already, I'm looking to see if you guys can hit that subscribe button, maybe even that little notification bell, the ding. So if you could do that, and then we could bring more videos and go get some more cars just like this. So if you could, then do that. That'd be great. And thank you very much. And maybe this will be the end of episode 1. Let's see how we divide this up, because there's a lot of video. So so far no breakdowns, but just a lot of material. So thanks for watching. And if I have this in parts, see episode 2.